Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Legal Considerations in International Hiring. Legal considerations in international hiring are crucial for businesses operating across borders. Understanding the intricacies of various legal frameworks is essential to ensure compliance, mitigate risks, and foster a diverse and competent workforce. This lesson delves into the fundamental legal aspects that human resources professionals must navigate when engaging in international recruitment and selection. One of the primary considerations in international hiring is adherence to local labor laws and regulations. Each country has its unique legal environment that dictates the terms and conditions of employment. For instance, the European Union has stringent regulations regarding working hours, minimum wage, and employee rights, which are harmonized across member states through directives such as the Working Time Directive. Non-compliance with these directives can lead to significant penalties and legal disputes. In contrast, the labor laws in the United States are more fragmented, with variations at the federal, state, and local levels. The Fair Labor Standards Act sets out minimum wage, overtime, and child labor standards, but states like California have additional requirements that employers must follow. Employment contracts are another critical area that requires careful attention. Contracts must be drafted in accordance with local laws and should clearly outline the terms of employment, including job responsibilities, compensation, benefits, and termination conditions. For example, in Japan, the Labor Standards Act mandates that employment contracts must include specific terms such as working hours, wages, and job descriptions. Failure to include these terms can render the contract void. Additionally, in countries like Germany, employment contracts are often supplemented by collective bargaining agreements, which can impose additional obligations on employers. Immigration laws and visa requirements are also pivotal in international hiring. Employers must ensure that foreign employees have the necessary work permits and visas to legally work in the host country. The complexity of immigration laws varies significantly across countries. In the United States, the H-1B visa program allows employers to hire foreign workers in specialty occupations, but is subject to annual caps and rigorous eligibility criteria. In contrast, countries like Canada have more flexible immigration policies, with programs such as the Temporary Foreign Worker Program and the Global Talent Stream, which facilitate the hiring of international talent. Anti-discrimination laws play a vital role in shaping international hiring practices. Employers must ensure that their recruitment processes are free from biases and discriminatory practices based on race, gender, age, disability, or other protected characteristics. In the European Union, the Equal Treatment Directive prohibits discrimination in employment and occupation. Similarly, the United States enforces anti-discrimination laws through the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which oversees compliance with statutes such as Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Non-compliance with anti-discrimination laws can lead to costly litigation and damage to the company's reputation. Data protection and privacy laws are increasingly significant in the context of international hiring. Employers must handle personal data of job applicants and employees in compliance with local data protection regulations. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union sets stringent requirements for the processing of personal data, including obtaining explicit consent, ensuring data accuracy, and implementing appropriate security measures. Violations of the GDPR can result in hefty fines and legal sanctions. Similarly, in the United States, the California Consumer Privacy Act imposes obligations on businesses to protect personal data and provide transparency regarding data collection practices. Another important consideration is the integration of corporate social responsibility and ethical hiring practices. Companies operating internationally are expected to adhere to ethical standards and contribute positively to the communities in which they operate. This includes ensuring fair labor practices, respecting human rights, and promoting diversity and inclusion in the workplace. The United Nations Guiding Principles on Business and Human Rights provide a framework for businesses to prevent and address adverse human rights impacts associated with their operations. Adopting ethical hiring practices not only enhances the company's reputation, but also fosters a positive work environment and attracts top talent. Furthermore, tax implications and Social Security contributions must be considered in international hiring. Employers need to be aware of the tax obligations for both the company and the employees in the host country. Double taxation treaties between countries can provide relief from being taxed twice on the same income. For example, the United States has tax treaties with several countries that outline the tax treatment of income earned by foreign nationals. Additionally, employers must ensure compliance with Social Security regulations, which may require contributions to local Social Security systems or adherence to totalization agreements that coordinate Social Security coverage between countries. Conducting thorough due diligence and seeking legal counsel is essential for navigating the complex landscape of international hiring. Employers should engage with legal experts who specialize in international labor law to ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. This includes understanding the legal requirements for job postings, conducting background checks, and addressing any legal issues that may arise during the recruitment process. Legal counsel can also assist in drafting employment contracts that protect the company's interests while complying with local laws. In conclusion, legal considerations in international hiring encompass a wide range of factors, including local labor laws, employment contracts, immigration laws, anti-discrimination regulations, data protection, corporate social responsibility, tax implications, and Social Security contributions. Human resources professionals must stay informed about the legal frameworks in the countries where they operate and seek expert guidance to ensure compliance. By doing so, they can mitigate risks, foster a diverse and inclusive workforce, and contribute to the overall success of the organization. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.